Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my bees. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm really excited about this year's bee season. I'm hoping to avoid any swarming this year. I'm hoping to get a really good harvest, and from all accounts it looks like it's going to be a really good year for the bees. So I wanted to take you through, this is really the first time that I'm looking at my bees since winter, and there's a few things that I have to change around. So in the past I used to use just sugar water, and I've switched over to using smoke after getting stung a lot. So right now what you're seeing is a bunch of hive beetles, and my hives were both pretty much infested with these when I first opened them up. So I'm going to show you a little trick that I have that an old beekeeper taught me of how to help with that. You can see that they're everywhere. They're like little cockroaches, and the bees will actually attack them and try to get them out of the hive. But an easy way of getting rid of these are these are just Swiffer pads, or I get the Dollar Tree version of the Swiffer pads, and you break them up, cut them up into like little squares, and I put them at the corners because that's where the hive beetles like to go. So this is my first hive. There is the queen. Just found her really quickly, and that hive is doing all great. And this hive is my big hive. There's the other queen in my second hive. I went ahead and capped her, put her aside because I didn't want to accidentally lose her or squish her, because I'm going to be doing a lot of work with this blue hive. The bottom of the blue hive is completely rotted through. So I have to remove all of the brood box, which I haven't done in a very, very long time. And I'm just putting the queen to the side to make sure that she's okay, and that everybody realizes that I did not steal or kill the queen, because they'll get kind of anxious about that. So a lot of smoke, and here goes the brood box. You can see that the bottom tray is just completely rotted through. Like, I could completely see the bottom of it, and so I'm moving all of the brood to the side, and again looking for all of those hive beetles. So I'm kind of piecing together a hive. Last year I bought a brand new hive and spent the entire summer painting it, and I wanted to make it really pretty and everything, but now I've just kind of decided I'm going to use the pieces of that with my old hive for the pieces that are rotting or the pieces that I need to add together. So it's going to kind of be a mix match sort of thing, but I'm okay with that. And there is the queen. You can see all the bees have found her, and they're trying to get her out. And this is the new brood box that I'm putting on top of the old brood box. And for those of you who are beekeepers, yes, I know this is way too high for me. I'm going to, at some point, move this down way lower, because I can already tell that once this fills up with honey and brood, it's going to be so heavy, and it's way up high, and it's top heavy. But for today, it's fine. I just have to find a new way of putting it on maybe some blocks or something lower to the ground. And now I'm releasing the queen. All the bees are very happy that she's back, and she survived, and she's doing really well. And now my next step is that I have to get the frames for this new brood box, which I haven't done yet. I just wanted to give them a little bit more space, because I am trying to mitigate any swarming this year. And that is how you do that, is that you make sure that they have plenty of space, because once they start running out of space, then they start making new queen cells to swarm. So hopefully no swarms this year. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a fabulous spring, and I'll see you next time. Bye!